Hi, welcome to a2znowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about a list in Python. So I have already made 3 parts on this list. So you can get all the part videos of list as well as other Python videos in the playlist. You can find the playlist link in the description box of this video. So today we are going to see 3 functions of list with respect to the delete. Okay, so that means to remove the content from the list. So there is 3 functions. It's an inbuilt one in Python. So pop, clear, and remove. So I have created a list which says, and it has an elements like A to Z knowledge, my website name. And now I want to remove T. So instead of saying the position, you can even tell the element name as well. So I have given T. So when I run this, I will get eliminated this T. So the balance list will be get printed. So I'm just executing this code. Okay, so you can see the very first list as the output. You can see the T is not there as part of the list. Now there is something called pop, which is something gonna pop from the list. It's pop out from the list. So I'm giving 1. So now very important thing is, now this pop function is getting my list variable, and this my list variable has been updated with this new list. So don't think it still has a T. Okay, so when you execute this line, so when I say 1, so people used to think 0 1. Okay, it is not like that. So because we have already removed T, so it will take 0 1 O. So this is the input for the second function pop. So O. So what pop function will do, it will return the element which we have eliminated, and then it will return the list with the balance elements. So if you see, it returned O, and it is returning the balance elements in the list, where you can see T is missing because we have already removed it, and now O is also missing. Now there is something called pop with empty function. So I'm not giving any argument for the pop. So if you give just pop as empty, what will it, by default what it will do, it will remove the last element from the list. So you can see now for this pop, it is taking input from my list. So that is this one, which we have already removed O, and you can see the output, it is removing E. As I told you, default it will pick the last element when you are not passing any argument for the pop function. Now it returns A to Z, means whatever, it's got eliminated. So now E is not there, already T and O is also not there. And you can also use clear function to clear the list completely. So I have commented this because if I have uncommented, I will get some error. So you can try this in your machine. You will get an error because we are clearing it, then we are trying to print it. Now there is something you can able to remove the elements as range based as well. So I'm giving 2 5. That means, so A is 0 1 2. Okay, so that means I have to eliminate this O. So okay, 1 2 3 4 5, because you have given 2 to 5. So whenever we give range, it will eliminate the last one. That is, it will take 2 to 4. Whenever you used to give 2 to 5, if you give 2 to 6, it will take up to 5. So you can see the last print statement. So A T, O is missing because I have highlighted O is not there because I'm giving 2 is to 5. Then Z is missing, and then K, and then N. Okay, so it is just printing from the O to 5th element. Oh, I'm sorry. So this is 2 3 4. Okay, so only 3 elements it will be get removed. 0 is that cannot even N, because N is the 5th element. Okay, so O, Z and K it will eliminate. Okay, so N is the 5th element, so it will just skip. So I got confused, sorry for that. So this is the way. So how you are going to empty it? So you can see I'm giving the range and equal to empty list. That means this particular range of elements need to be get cleared. So that you are symbolically you are presenting it with an empty list, and you are assigning to it. So the range comes, so it is just clearing, it is emptying that part of the elements only. So this video agenda is just to explain you what is this 3 function pop, clear, and remove is doing. And then apart from that, we have seen one more way of removing the content. So thanks for watching a2znowledge.com. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. And we provide many tech videos in 2 languages, English and Tamil. So thanks for watching a2znowledge.com.